Hi guys, today we are going to be coding character movement and the stacks, and also we're gonna next part after this part we're gonna do crafting system, which you guys have been really waiting for, and then we'll also be doing the I think I already said this, but just to make sure, we're gonna do the character movement, making it smoother. And I don't remember if I said this. We're gonna do stacks. So we're just gonna do stacks, character movement, getting smoother, and yeah. So right now we are working on the play menu. So we're gonna start by, we're gonna make a pixel character. So paint, and then I'm just gonna grab the hotbar sprite. So I'm gonna go into hotbar, click this, and then Ctrl+C+V. And then Ctrl+V in this sprite. So I'm going to do play menu. So after the crafting system, we'll add creative and survival. And then after that one, we'll do building. And then soon we'll do different stuff like adding commands and talking and maybe learn multiplayer. So right now we're going to convert it to bitmap. Then I'm going to delete that. And then fill, we want to do gray. So gray. So it's pretty hard. I'm just going to zoom in a lot. So I'm just going to do the paint line, and then 9, paint 9. So I'm going to do flat paint 1 for that. And then the line sprite, not the align, just the line sprite. And I'm just going to do pretty big. And there. And perfect. Okay, sorry, I'm just not feeling so great. So we're almost done with this. You can fast forward it if you would like, because I'm just really right now just coloring it and kind of nothing really, not doing anything. So just skip it if you'd like to, and if you want to see me coloring it, you can, which I would think no one would want to, because that's kind of boring, watching someone color. So you're probably not going to hear this if you fast forward right away, but just in case you don't fast forward, I'm just saying. Okay, sorry. Okay, then, no. I keep doing this wrong. Please fast forward. Please just fast forward right now. I'd really like you to. And then paint, not 9, 1. So I'm just going to get it down to 1. Okay. Okay. Then 1, 2. And then line tool, 4. I'm going to do black for the outline. So minus, 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 minus. So this is the play button. So I don't know why I call this right play menu. I'm going to call it play button soon. And then we'll also have the other like settings and maybe marketplace where you can buy skins, and we'll work on that really like later. but you won't have to buy it. You'll just have to earn like coins, which are like mine coins, but that's gonna be pretty hard to code. And I don't want to get too worked up about it because I don't want to get you guys like super excited and then be like, no, I'm not going to do this. Okay, so our play button is finished. Now we're going to go into text. I'm going to do pixel because that's like what Minecraft is. So play. No, back. I'm going to switch it to vector. And then close it, make it smaller. Okay, so we have our play button. Play. Play, but. Sorry. Okay, so now we're going to do in play clip. Go to, not a go to. So we're going to do when this sprite is clicked, hide, and then when play clicked, show, when the sprite is clicked, hide. Okay. Then we're going to change the size like 500. Where is it? For 300.
These coloring books. Oh. Huh?
And then, yeah. One sec.
No other box.
And then, that's pretty good. So then we're gonna make a sprite called Paper Minecraft. So, it's just gonna say Paper Minecraft. So that's gonna be its sprite. We don't care if it's auto-corrected. So I'm gonna grow it. So caps lock paper. And then pretty big. That's a little too big, so I'm going to set the size to 50, so it's only half that size. And then drag this over here, shrink it, because that's huge. Sorry, that's just my dog and sister. So it's pretty, I'm just going to hide the cursor. This is kind of annoying. The cursor's getting pretty annoying. But we can literally still break even when it's hidden. Mostly because it's stamping. So play for Minecraft, and I'm gonna, what the heck? Oh yeah, I'm just gonna drag this over here so I can actually move it. So I'm just gonna have a play button. Then I'm gonna have a background, which is just gonna be like a gray square. Okay. Okay, when play clicked, go to front layer. And then when play clicked, go to front layer. And then I'm gonna do a new broadcast. It's gonna be called Startup. To start. When I receive startup, oops, hide. Okay. When this sprite is clicked, broadcast. Startup. Okay. Okay, so when I receive startup, hide, and then when play clip to show. Okay, so then we're going to need a show block for this one. Okay. So now when you press play, it does this. But when you start, these pop up. I don't know why, but it's probably because the colors I chose. So we're actually going to do like a white color for the background. That's cool. And then the play button, let's do white. Okay. So now we have the play button. But then we're going to need a not black color, but a pretty dark color like this. So there. And then okay. And then one sec. Sorry. Okay. So now we have the play menu and it's working and pretty good. And then we're gonna need next time we're gonna add creative and survival. Thanks for watching. Bye. And actually all the stuff that we didn't do today that we were supposed to do, one part I'll tell you that I'll do all the stuff we missed. Probably maybe the last part, which is where we're adding fixes to it and adding the stuff that I forgot. Thanks for watching. Bye.